Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video, I'm gonna recreate a look from our favorite Nikkie tutorials, and it's called Popping Summer Makeup Transformation. Maybe I should consider less vibrant color for my skin tone. That's why I'm gonna make the look a little less vivid. Basically, I'm gonna simplify the look and make it suitable for my brown skin. As always, I'm going to use mostly drugstore products in this tutorial, and that's how I will get less vibrant color than what Nikkie showed in the video. However, I'm going to follow her technique as much as possible. So without further ado, let's get started. And before that, as always, if you like my video, then please like, share and comment. And if you are new here, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and also the bell icon, and you will be my Doers family. I have cleaned my face before starting anything. Now I'm gonna primer my face with flower primer. I will nicely cover whole face and neck. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply concealer around my eyebrow and my lid. Today I'm gonna use propalette concealer from Napoleon Perdis, and I'm gonna mix the medium and light shade together. I don't know why the shade looks horribly white on camera, because I didn't look that scary in mirror, honestly. Then I'm gonna take some loose face powder and cover the concealer. It will protect the eyeshadow from creasing. I'm gonna dab the brush before applying to get rid of the excess powder. Now I'm gonna take 627A medium brown brow pencil from Wet n Wild and brush my eyebrows. After that, I'm gonna draw the outline with the pencil. Now I'm gonna apply Easy Breezy Brow Fill Powder from COVERGIL and fill the gaps. When the brows look somewhat right, I'm gonna seal everything with a transparent brow mascara from e.l.f. Okay, so let's start the main part. Nikkie has used colored rainy palette for this look, and she started with this lemon drop color. Well, I have this NYX eyeshadow palette. This yellow shade is pretty similar, but the color is little lighter, and that's fine. Now Nikkie is applying this bright pink color, and the name of the shade is Party Drip. I'm gonna press the powder well before blending. In that way the color will look vibrant and they will be long lasting. Now I'm gonna use this peach shade as a transition color. To blend the shadow, we need to move the brush in circular motion. To reduce the harsh edge, I am gonna blend the outside with a clean brush. After that, I'm gonna cut crease with the concealer again. I'm gonna cover half of my lid and I will leave the outer V-lid so that the pink part will be visible. To make this pink look continuous, I'm gonna blend this light pink shade from bhCosmetic. I'm gonna dab it gently so that it looks smooth. Then I'm gonna take this white shade from PROfUSION and dab it on my concealer. It will protect the lid from creasing after some time. Then I'm gonna apply a gold eyeliner. Nikkie has already done her face makeup, but I'm not very comfortable of doing that before my eye makeup. That's why I'm gonna do it now. To cover my dark circles and pigmentations, I'm gonna correcting the color using L'Oreal 425 Always Apricot lipstick. After that, I'm gonna take Revlon Photo Ready color correcting pen and blend all over the orange shade. Then I'm gonna apply Neutrogena foundation with nude 40 shade and blend it with the help of a damp beauty blender. I'm gonna cover all of my face and neck. Today I'm gonna cream contour my face after foundation, which I normally don't, but as I'm following Nikkie's instruction today, this is gonna be different. Now I'm gonna highlight my face with 809 concealer stick from Wet n Wild. And after that, I'm gonna cream contour my face with 805 contour stick from same brand. Now I'm gonna blend everything and seal them with loose powder. As it is gonna be a daytime makeup, we are not gonna use any dark shade this time. Instead, I'm gonna powder contour my face and nose with COVERGIRL 555 Soft Honey Pressed Powder. My eye makeup is not done yet. That's why I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the eyeshadow colors on my lower lash line, such as pink, peach, yellow. You got the point. Now I'm gonna take a white eyeliner, draw a triangle on the inner corner of my eyes. Then I will take 710 Black Noir eyeliner from L'Oreal and start from kind of my middle lid and wing it out. Then slowly I'm gonna cover all over my lid. The way I'm gonna draw the eyeliner today, it's kind of combination of classic and simple style. And Nikkie's way was more like pin-up. Now off camera, I'm gonna wear the lashes and cover the lower and upper lashes with a waterproof mascara. Now I'm gonna powder blush my face with this peach color from PROfUSION. To highlight my face, I'm gonna take this Mary Lou Manizer shade from the Manizer Sisters. Personally, I don't really like to talk about any particular brand or product because that product might not be handy for you right now. I just share what I used and you can use anything you prefer. Let's start the lip makeup. I'm gonna take this red lip liner from Maybelline and draw the outline. Today I'm gonna wear 420 Pearl Blushed Lipstick from Revlon. I'm gonna give you all the detail of makeup items in the description box below, and you can also find my Facebook and Instagram links in the description box. You can also follow me in Facebook and Instagram because I share many photos and videos over there which I don't share here in YouTube. I'm gonna define the edge of my lip with concealer. It will make the lip look more prominent. Then I'm gonna blend it. Then I'm gonna apply Chanel 207 Gold Shine Lip Gloss and dab it on top of my lipstick. Again, you can find my social media links below and I will also display them on the screen. Finally, I'm gonna seal all my makeup with a setting spray and cover all over my face and neck. So this is it guys, it was my version of popping summer makeup transformation. Hopefully you liked it and you found it easy. If so, then don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends and families. By the way, did you find this lighter version practical for you or do you prefer the vibrant one? Please let me know in the comments down below. And if you have any suggestion, you can also share that in the comment section. I will definitely try to do that. And if you haven't done yet, then please take a minute to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you will be my Doers family. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you liked this video and hope to see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay well. Bye.